This is the Momcozy Baby Sound Machine. It comes with 20 soothing sounds. It's also a portable touch activated light. It's super lightweight and it comes with a timer function, and let's unbox this. So it comes also with a pretty long charger cord. One side is a USB plug and the other side is a USB-C. You can either use this with a wall adapter, or if you have a USB plug directly, you can just use that. Super easy to plug in and turn on. It comes with a really nice instruction manual in case you need to look anything up, but honestly, it was really user-friendly and I could figure it out really quickly. So it comes with 6 different buttons. There's 2 audio control, there is a sleep timer and child lock, a play and pause button, and sound control. And like I said, it comes with 20 different sounds. There's a mix of white noise, lullabies, and nature sounds. So here they are. And you can turn the nightlight function on and off by just tapping the top of the sound machine.